Hello, my name is Tapera and I'm the founder of Startup Vulawayo in Zimbabwe. Startup Vulawayo is a proposed innovative space that seeks to provide co-working space, resources, funding, networking and coaching to small businesses and upcoming upstarts. My city, Vulawayo, has suffered from a massive capital flight and company closures that has rendered thousands and thousands of people to be unemployed. Thus, there's been a lot of mushrooming of small businesses that usually fail within the first 1 year. From a personal experience, I've operated a business that I had deemed successful, but it failed within the first 1 year due to a myriad of problems such as lack of capital and mentoring. I'm motivated to help people run successful businesses that can employ and contribute to the communities that they operate in. Help me help Zimbabwe be great again.